In this episode, we will see how concrete is manufactured in a modern mobile batching plant. Concrete is a foundation of the modern construction industry. It is used to construct roads, bridges, tower blocks, and houses. But its production involves more than just mixing cement, aggregate, and water. In the modern batching plant, everything is done as precisely as in the high-tech sector. In this episode, we will see how a modern, mobile batching plant works, starting with deliveries of materials through automated dosing and mixing, up to the moment the ready concrete leaves the mixer on its way to the construction site. To see all this in practice, we are going to visit a construction site at which a mobile batching plant, Quickmaster 120 Plus from Elkon Polska, works. The secret of good concrete lies in the appropriate recipe. Its components include cement, chemical additives, water, and of course, aggregate. But it is the proportions and number of aggregate fractions that play a crucial role here. In this case, we have 4 fractions. Up to 200 recipes can be saved on a computer working with the concrete mixer. They are selected according to a type of a construction site at which concrete is to be used. Here we see the scale on which aggregate is weighed, after selecting the relevant recipe. At the same time, other components, including cement, are weighed on other devices. At this station, ashes and possible fillers are dosed, and chemical additives are supplied. The scale can weigh 5 to 6 tons of materials at one time. When all components required for production of concrete are measured out, they are sent to the mixer. The multifunction scale goes into the transport mode, and the belt with materials starts moving. First, aggregates, then cement and water are added to the mixer. Everything is done automatically, but under the keen eye of an operator. The computer terminal in their cabin contains all parameters of a specific process and the entire production line. The ammeter on the control panel can be used to monitor correct mixing of the components. The Quickmaster 120 Plus twin shaft mixer has a capacity of 2.5 cubic meters of finished concrete. After mixing, concrete is loaded into a mixer truck or a dumper. Now time is of the essence. Mixer trucks returning after transport of concrete need to be washed, and here Elkon does not forget about sustainability. Concrete residues from a mixer truck enter a recycling system, and cement slurry is separated from aggregate. The slurry is returned to production, where it is mixed with water at required proportions. Aggregate can also be used for substrate, for example, in the road construction sector, or to manufacture concrete of lower quality. This is the environmentally friendly circular economy. The capacity of the presented batching plant amounts to 120 cubic meters per hour. Recipes that can be used in it are developed by an accredited laboratory. It also includes 4 containers for aggregates, of 25 cubic meters each, and 3 cement silos, each of a capacity of 75 tons. It should be noted that Elkon Polska's range includes an innovative product, ultramobile, small batching plants from the Mixmaster line. With them, even small manufacturers can become independent producers of this most important construction material. Satisfaction? Guaranteed. Solid as concrete.